The population is increasing in every part of the world, especially in large cities. However, land in urban areas is limited. Hence, the building pattern is moving from horizontal spread to vertical high-rise. In the last decades, skyscrapers have dominated skylines worldwide. Due to the high cost of land and construction, built-up space is becoming an expensive commodity in the big cities. In case of fire, listed and approved firefighting systems play an extremely critical role. Adequate water pressure is not only a mandatory requirement, but it is also important for the safety of people, property protection, and minimal business interruption. Low-rise buildings have a pump house constructed at the basement using a conventional firefighting system to meet the demands of fire safety requirements. In a high-rise or super high-rise building, the situation becomes more complicated. With the pump installed at the basement, high pressures are required to satisfy the demands of the upper levels of the building. If one riser is installed, it in turn places excessive pressure on the lower levels of the building. These levels have to be protected by pressure-reducing valves. However, pressure-reducing valves are not economical and are prone to failures. In many international cities, where high-rise buildings are common, a ban has been imposed on using pressure-reducing valves in fire application. To avoid over-pressurization issues, the building's sprinkler protection is divided into zones covered by individual risers, each fed by a dedicated pump house. The present conventional firefighting system has either pumps in the basement for each of these zones or multiple pumps installed at various levels of the building to cover each zone. However, there are certain disadvantages in this approach. More space consumption, higher cost of equipment, complex piping, extensive building electrical infrastructure, higher long-term planned maintenance costs, additional water storage tank at intermediate levels, vibration and noise, safety, pump house approach issue. With the advent of new technology, the conventional pump can be replaced with multi-stage, multi-outlet pump by Kirloskar Brothers Limited. The MSMO pump, when installed in the basement pump house, eliminates the need for multiple pump houses at the basement, as well as the pump houses in the intermediate levels of the building. Fire is one of the most common reasons that cause disasters in residential and commercial constructions, which results in heavy physical damage. During such hazardous situations in high-rise or super high-rise buildings, the fire pump starts when the pressure in the fire sprinkler system drops below a threshold. Due to multiple outlets, the water pressure is sufficiently and equally distributed irrespective of the height of the construction. MSMO pump plays a major role in ensuring safety of people, property protection, and minimal business interruption. Salient features of the MSMO pumps are saving expensive space in a high-rise building, substantial savings on the construction of pump house. Multi-outlet variant reduces the necessity of multiple pumps for different head requirements. Less pipe work and valves. No water storage tank at intermediate level. To further save space, KBL has introduced an innovative concept of the multi-stage, multi-outlet pump in vertical execution through technical advancements. Vertical execution offers better mechanical stability, self-alignment of pump and motor couplings. Ring section diffuser type construction totally eliminates the radial loads. The suction and delivery piping can be placed as per the user's requirement throughout 360 degrees. Low maintenance cost. The vertical MSMO pump saves space in the pump house almost equivalent to the space required for 2 parked cars. Thus, with this new trend, builders can construct an equal number of flats. This can lead to space saving to the tune of 20 to 50 million rupees in the suburban area of metro cities. Product range. MSMO is available up to Flow range 700 meter cube per hour or 3082 US gallons per minute. Head range 500 meters or 1640 feet. Number of outlets 7. Standard materials used for the construction of MSMO are cast iron for casing, bronze for impeller, stainless steel for shaft. If required, the pumps can be manufactured to order in special materials of your choice. MSMO pump, both in horizontal as well as vertical execution by KBL, is an ideal choice for firefighting applications in high-rise and super high-rise buildings. For firefighting applications, today MSMO pumps by Kirloskar Bros Ltd is the most preferred technology that protects the iconic buildings worldwide. MSMO pump sets. Your space, your money.